Hi, I'm Natasha, Sanjay and Bindu. We have made a multi-purpose furniture. So when we assemble it, it becomes like an Ottoman to sit on, and a 100 kg person also can sit onto it. And when we dismantle it, it becomes like a carpet, floor carpet. So there are two ways to do it. We can make different shapes into it, and a very easy interlocking system that we have come up with. There is no hardware used in this, and we can store stuff inside as well. And for travelers, it's very easy because they can just put it in a backpack and travel anywhere, and they can assemble it and make a chair to sit wherever, where and whenever. Thank you.
The special jury award goes to BINDU.R, NATASHA.A.VINAY and SANJAY.T.S.